Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle, and it is day 18 of Vlogmas. Yay! Okay, so in today's installment of my favorite makes countdown Advent Vlogmas, see how many times you can say that fast. I am bringing to you another Nova Midi from StyleArc. This is my tie-dye Nova Midi, and this is one of the very first fabrics that I ice dyed, and I was really happy with it. Like, it didn't do anything that I planned for it to do, but it still came out really pretty, and I'm really happy with it. This is made out of 100% cotton sheeting that I got off Amazon. And the pricing at the time was like $4.56 a yard. I think a lot of people have started buying it because the cost is now like, I think, over $6 a yard when it's in stock. So I bought like another 15 yards of it when it was at 5 something a yard. It just keeps going up. So for this StyleArc Nova Midi, I have made 3 versions. Well, not really versions, they're all the same, just 3 different fabrics. And I love this dress. I will definitely be making more of these next summer. Although I don't know why I need to wait till summer, because it is December 18th and I can wear this outside right now without needing any extra coverage at all. Anyway, I have a review of this that I will link up here. And I think I might have a video where I showed all 3 versions. I can't remember. Anyway, I'll link the review. And really, I mean, it's just a super simple dress. It's got a sleeveless tank style bodice, and then you can make it in 2 or 3 tiers. What's funny is the 2-tier version is supposed to be a mini dress, and the 3-tier is supposed to be a midi. I did add some length to the bodice because I don't like it when it hits me right under the chest area. So I like a little bit of length there. So I did lengthen the bodice, I want to say by 3 inches. But with that, the 2-tier is actually a little below knee length on me. I am 5'1". I will list all the measurements in the description box. But yeah, so the only thing that I did different other than lengthening the bodice is the pattern calls for a double bodice, meaning that it's fully lined. You cut out an inner and an outer of the bodice pieces. And so it's double layer. I don't see the need for that. Maybe it makes it easier to sew. I don't know. I'm fine with the bias binding. I used some pink for this one. I used some pink bias binding that I had in my stash. And so here we go. I styled it for you 2 different ways. One is for places where it might be a little bit chillier than it is here today. I layered a long sleeve t-shirt underneath and wore it with some ankle booties. The t-shirt is just a ready-to-wear t-shirt. It's an Old Navy t-shirt I've had forever. And it's actually, you can't tell because of the way that the bodice is cut, but the t-shirt is actually a raglan baseball tee. In the middle of it is like blue and white and pink stripes, but you can't see any of that. And I thought the pink color on the sleeves matched the pink in the dress perfectly. The booties are booties that I bought many years ago. They're a burgundy suede ankle booty that zip up the side. It's a wood wedge heel. They're very cute. They look really cute with skinny jeans. And I paired it with a really like fun kind of silver bib necklace. Another one from Stella & Dot. In fact, this necklace is also from Stella & Dot. And just some diamond stud earrings. The second way that I styled it is the more summery, warm weather way with no t-shirt or anything underneath. And I just paired it with some cute little silver sandals and this cute Stella & Dot like pendant necklace. I do wear this dress most often with some of my Vans. I call them all Vans. Some of them are Vans, some of them are Steve Madden, but they all look like that Van, you know, that slip-on Van sneaker style. I wear it with my white sparkly Vans that are actually Vans. I wear it with my purple suede Vans that are actually Vans. And I wear it with my silver glitter Vans that are actually Steve Madden, that I've worn the heck out of, and I need a replacement because the sequence is rubbing raw in some places. Now, I've had these things for many years. They lasted a really good long time, but I definitely need a replacement for those. They're actually some of my most comfortable sneakers that I own, surprisingly. Anyway, so that's kind of it for me today. Oh, I do have an update on the fabric, the missing fabric. So I had a package delivered yesterday from Amazon, and my husband went to pick it up, and he came back with 2 packages, and surprisingly, the new package was put in the same locker as the missing package, so he got it by accident. But I have it, so I've got my fabric for the little red dress project and for my ugly sweater project. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to make that before tomorrow. I mean, these fabrics have been lost for over a week now, by the way. They actually got delivered the Wednesday before last. So I thought I was gonna have plenty of time to make up both of those, and I don't know that I'm gonna have time to do the ugly sweater at this point, even though I now have the fabric. So, bummer on that. The only other update I have is, you know, I sound like I complain about this condo all the time, and that's because there's always something to complain about. My freaking air conditioning went out, which it's December, so I know a lot of you don't get that that's a problem, but I'm in South Florida and it's a problem. During the day, it's not so bad. It's kind of manageable during the day, but at night, I can't stand to sleep hot, and we actually have 2 fans blowing on us because it's getting so hot and it's still not quite enough, and the guy can't come out until Monday to fix the air. So, can't wait to get out of here. Anyway, that's it for me today. Wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I will talk to you tomorrow.